Today, I'll show you how to log into Google Drive using Google Drive for Desktop step by step. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to access your files right from your computer without having to open a browser every time. First, make sure you have Google Drive for Desktop installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the official Google Drive website, look for the download option for desktop, and follow the installation prompts for your operating system. Once the installation is complete, you should see the Google Drive icon either on your desktop, in your Applications folder, or in your System tray or menu bar. Go ahead and open Google Drive for Desktop. When it launches for the first time, it will prompt you to sign in so it can connect to your Google account and sync your files. On the sign-in screen, look for the option that says Sign in with Browser. Click that. This tells the app to use your web browser to securely handle the login process, which is how Google keeps your account information protected. After you click Sign in with Browser, your default web browser will automatically open a new tab or window. If it doesn't appear right away, check behind other open windows or look for a new tab at the top of your browser. This page is hosted by Google and is where you'll enter your login details. On this page, you'll be asked to enter your Google email. Type in the email address associated with the Google account you want to use with Google Drive. This might be a personal account, a work account, or a school account, depending on what you use. Double check for any typos because even a single incorrect character can prevent you from logging in. Once you've entered your email address, click Next to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Carefully type your password into the password field. If you're on a private, secure computer, you can use the Show Password option if it's available to make sure you're typing it correctly. If you use two-step verification on your account, you may be asked to confirm a code or approve the sign-in on another device. Just follow the on-screen instructions until Google confirms that your login is successful. Once you're signed in, you'll see a page asking you to allow Google Drive for Desktop to connect your account to this computer. This step is important because it gives the app permission to access your Drive files and sync them locally. Take a moment to review the permissions if you'd like. When you're ready, click Allow. After you click Allow, the browser will confirm that you're signed in and Google Drive for Desktop will recognize the connection. You can close the browser tab if it doesn't close automatically. Back on your computer, the Google Drive app will finish setting things up. You'll usually see a confirmation message and then a Google Drive folder or drive will appear in your File Explorer or Finder. From here, you're all set. Your Google Drive is now linked to your computer and you can open, move, and save files directly through that folder. Any changes you make will sync to your Google Drive in the cloud, keeping everything up to date across your devices.